Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. What follows are my personal experiences using OneBlinc. OneBlinc, found at https://1blink.com, offers a unique financial platform. Designed to cater to those who might face challenges accessing traditional banking services, OneBlinc aims to provide a more inclusive financial experience. Their services appear particularly useful for individuals who may have encountered difficulties securing loans or credit in the past. One of the standout features of OneBlinc is its focus on providing credit-building opportunities. They understand that establishing and maintaining a positive credit history is essential for financial well-being, and they seem dedicated to helping their users achieve this. They offer secured credit cards and loans, which can be invaluable tools for those looking to improve their credit scores. This approach could be a game-changer for individuals who are working to rebuild their credit or who are new to the credit system. Furthermore, OneBlinc provides access to various other financial products. They offer a convenient platform for managing finances, including budgeting tools and other resources designed to empower users to take control of their financial lives. This holistic approach to financial wellness sets them apart from traditional institutions that may solely focus on lending. While OneBlinc's website is informative, potential users might benefit from clearer explanations about fees and interest rates. Transparency in these areas is crucial, as it allows individuals to make informed decisions about their financial choices. More detailed information on eligibility criteria would also be helpful for those considering OneBlinc services. Overall, OneBlinc has the potential to be a valuable resource for individuals seeking alternative financial solutions. Their commitment to credit building and financial empowerment is commendable. However, enhanced transparency regarding fees and eligibility requirements would further strengthen their platform and build greater trust with potential users. This comprehensive approach to financial health makes OneBlinc a platform worth exploring for those looking to improve their financial standing. Remember to check out the link in the description and let me know your thoughts in the comments.